Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them and then let's tap on apps and notifications. Here let's scroll down to tap on advanced, and under it at the very bottom of the list right now we've got the special app access. So let's tap on it. Now we have to find install unknown apps, so let's tap on this option, and as you can see here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. So of course you can change it, just tap on the app and then tap on the switcher. After getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now not allowed to install any apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.